Hello everybody. If you guys are wanting to clear all junk and cache from your Windows 11 or 10 desktop, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. The first thing we can do is we can just head over and open up Windows plus R and open up this run box right here, and we're gonna type in prefetch here. Just go ahead and type in this and click on OK. Once you do, you will be having this. Go ahead and give access to yourself. Continue. And there we go. Now what we need to do is delete all of these unnecessary files. So we can go ahead and hit Windows. We can just go ahead and hit select all. And once you do, we can go ahead and click on this Shift plus delete. That should permanently delete your files on your computer. Just go ahead and do so. And that is one of the methods. You can clear the junk on your device. Now, after this, the next thing we can clear up junk from is this one right here. Hit Windows plus R. Open up this. And this time type in temp. After you do so, you can go ahead and click on OK. And hit enter. Give access. And there you'll be finding all of your unnecessary folders on your computer. You can hit Shift plus A. That should select all. Or you can just go ahead and select it using your mouse and everything. After you do so, you will just head over and go over and hit Shift plus delete on your keyboard. And that should also delete all of the unnecessary files with permanently deleting it from your device. Or you can use this delete option right here and confirm it, and that should be deleted. So this is another method to clear up your junk. Now method number 3. Now again, we're gonna go ahead and hit Windows plus R, run. And this time we're gonna go ahead and type in percentage. Just go ahead and type in percentage temp percentage and hit OK. After you do so, there you'll be finding all of the necessary folders that you have not created. It is created by itself, creating junk on your folder. So you can just go ahead and select one of them and press Ctrl plus A, and it should select all. After that, you can just go ahead and Shift plus delete, and that should delete all of the unnecessary files. You can confirm that you would like to permanently delete these files from your computer. And that's it. So you can just follow up this process, and once this deletion is completed, it should clear up some space on your device. And that's it. Apart from this, what we can do is, and the last step we can follow up is clear of the drive. For that, again, Windows plus R. And here you can just go ahead and type in clean mgr. After that, go ahead and click on OK. And it opens up like this. I can select up a drive that you want to clean up. For example, I would like to select this. After that, you can click on OK. And it should automatically show you some given options, the files you can delete. You can check mark all of the available files here. Once you do so, you can click on OK. And that will clear up your drive to 0 bytes of disk space. So that's it. If you'd like to clear all the cache and junk from your Windows 10 or 11, you may follow up these steps. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.